2026 Nokia 1100 4G brings back a legendary name with a modern twist, combining nostalgia with practical technology that fits today's fast-moving world while staying true to simplicity and durability. This device is designed for users who value reliability, long battery life, and essential connectivity without the distractions of heavy smartphones. It captures the spirit of the original iconic model but upgrades it with 4G support, better build quality, and improved usability that meets modern communication needs. The design of the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G feels familiar yet refreshed, featuring a compact body that is easy to hold and operate with one hand. The textured back enhances grip, making it resistant to slips, while the strong polycarbonate shell ensures durability against daily wear and tear. The physical keypad remains one of its strongest highlights, offering tactile feedback that many users still prefer for accurate typing and dialing. The buttons are well spaced, making it ideal for all age groups, especially those who find touchscreens inconvenient. One of the most impressive aspects of this phone is its battery life, which is built to last for days on a single charge. With an efficient processor and a small display, the phone consumes minimal power, allowing users to stay connected without constantly worrying about charging. This makes it especially useful for travelers, workers in remote areas, or anyone who needs a dependable secondary phone. The removable battery adds even more convenience, allowing users to carry a spare and swap it easily when needed. The 4G connectivity is a major upgrade that transforms the device from a basic phone into a more capable communication tool. Users can enjoy clearer voice calls through VoLTE support, faster messaging, and access to lightweight internet services. While it is not meant for heavy browsing or streaming, it still provides essential online functions like checking simple websites, using basic apps, and staying connected through modern networks that are gradually replacing older ones. The display is simple yet effective, offering enough clarity for reading messages, navigating menus, and viewing basic content. It is designed to be power efficient while remaining visible under sunlight, which is an important feature for outdoor use. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, ensuring that even first-time users can operate the phone without confusion. The menu layout focuses on essential features, keeping everything accessible within a few clicks. The phone also includes a basic camera that allows users to capture quick moments when needed. While it is not designed for professional photography, it serves its purpose for casual use, such as taking snapshots or sharing simple images. This addition makes the phone more versatile without compromising its simplicity. Storage and memory are modest but practical, with support for expandable storage through a micro SD card. This allows users to store music, contacts, and other small files without running into space issues. The music player and FM radio features add entertainment value, especially for users who enjoy listening to content without relying on internet access. The loudspeaker is clear and sufficiently powerful, making it suitable for calls and media playback. Durability remains a core focus of the device, living up to the reputation of its predecessor. It is built to withstand rough conditions, minor drops, and challenging environments. This makes it an excellent choice for people working in construction, agriculture, or other physically demanding fields. The phone is also resistant to dust to some extent, adding to its reliability in outdoor settings. Security and privacy are straightforward, with basic locking features that protect user data. Since the phone does not rely heavily on apps or online services, it reduces exposure to many modern security risks. This makes it appealing to users who prefer a simpler and more secure communication device. Another notable feature is the inclusion of essential tools such as a flashlight, alarm clock, calendar, and calculator. These small additions enhance everyday usability and make the phone a practical companion for daily tasks. The flashlight, in particular, is a useful feature in low-light situations, especially in areas with limited electricity access. The 2026 Nokia 1100 4G also supports dual SIM functionality, allowing users to manage two numbers on a single device. This is especially useful for separating personal and work contacts or for taking advantage of different network plans. The switching between SIMs is seamless, making it convenient for users who need flexibility. Affordability is another key advantage of this device, making it accessible to a wide range of users. It offers great value by focusing on essential features rather than unnecessary extras. This makes it an ideal choice for budget-conscious buyers, students, and those looking for a reliable backup phone. The sound quality during calls is clear and stable, ensuring effective communication even in areas with weaker signals. The antenna design and network optimization help maintain connectivity, which is crucial for users who depend on their phone for staying in touch. Overall, the 2026 Nokia 1100 4G successfully blends classic design with modern functionality, offering a dependable and user-friendly experience. It stands out in a market dominated by complex smartphones by providing a simpler alternative that focuses on what truly matters. Whether used as a primary device for minimalists or as a secondary phone for emergencies, it delivers consistent performance and unmatched reliability. If you enjoy simple and practical tech like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more updates and detailed reviews of the latest devices and innovations coming your way.